students, let's talk about Loshu grid in numerology. Loshu grid क्या कहता है? Loshu grid हमारी डेट ऑफ बर्थ की एक स्पेसिफिक प्लेसमेंट है एज पर दिस चार्ट. अब आप इस चार्ट को थोड़ा डीपली समझिए. इस चार्ट के अंदर here we place 4, 9, 2. Here 3, 5, 7 and 8, 1, 6. This is the basic arrangement of the Loshu grid. Now we talk about these numbers. ये numbers क्या signify करते हैं? 1 number stands for sun, 2 for moon, 3 for Jupiter, 4 for Rahu oblique Uranus, 5 stands for Mercury, 6 for Venus, 7 for Ketu oblique Neptune, 8 stands for Saturn and 9 stands for Mars. Right? In every date of birth, there is a specific arrangement as per the Loshu grid. Now, we see now there are 8 planes by which we study the Loshu grid. Here, how to 8 planes. Total कितने planes हैं? 8. Here 4, 9, 2 is the action plane. Action plane. Action plane क्या कहता है? Arrangement of 4, 9, 2 in the date of birth. Emotional plane. This one, action, practical plane, PRAC. Practical plane is our 8, 1 and 6. So see, there are, I have mentioned 3 planes. Next plane is our 4th one, which is called as, these 3 planes are horizontal planes. Number 1, number 2 and number 3. Horizontal planes. Horizontal lines, right? 4th one is our vertical. This is called as third plane. Third plane. Third plane is consisting of 4, 3 and 8. 5th one is our will plane. Nine, 5 and 1. In this, I have mentioned 5 planes and the significance name of all the digits. कि जो भी 1 से लेके 9 तक के 9 तक के नंबर्स हैं वो कौन कौन से प्लैनेट्स को डिपिक्ट करते हैं आपकी डेट ऑफ बर्थ में. हियर आई हैव मेंशन्ड. 6th one is our action plane. Action plane consisting of numbers 2, 7 and 6. 7th plane is our this one, success plane 1. Success plane 1, which consists of number 4, 5, 6. And the 8th one is success plane 2. It consists of numbers 2, 5 and 8. Right? These are the study of 8 planes as per the date of birth. Now I will tell you how to place these numbers in a Loshu grid as per the particular date of birth. I will tell you how to calculate birth number, how to calculate destiny number, how to do the placement of these planes and what they signifies in detail. Now let's start this date of birth to study. So this date of birth is I have taken 13/11/1976. The person is born on date 13. The month is 11 November and the year is 1976. Now we calculate birth number, which is called as Moolang in numerology. Birth number is 1, 3. 13 comes out to be 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. This is called as birth number of that person ruled by the number 4. Next, second is Bhagyam. This is DN. It is called as destiny number. Sum of all digits of date of birth. Date of birth के जितने भी digits हैं उनको आपने plus करना है. Here 1 plus 3 plus 1 plus again 1 plus 1 plus 9 plus 7 plus 6. It comes out to be 29. 29 again further reduces to number 2. 9 plus 2 is 11. 11 is equal to 2. Now I have placed this date of birth in the Loshu grid. First of all, we will place all the digits of date of birth. Then we will place Bhagyam and Moolang both. This is called as the BN, birth number, and this is called as the DN, destiny number. After filling all these digits in the Loshu grid, this chart is complete. First of all, I have placed 1. This is 1. Next number is 3. Again 1, 1, 1. 3 ones are here. Then 9, 7 and 6. Next number is BN, birth number 4. DN is the 2. In this case, for this person, if we analyze, first plane, this is called as mental plane. Mental plane and action plane. Both planes are fully complete. That means that person is mentally strong. His mental level is very high. He will deeply analyze all the things technically and physically both. Right? Next one is action plane. That person is an action plane is strong. It shows the person is the doer. काम करने वाला है. He will not stop till the end. Now, for this person mentally he is strong and action plane is also complete. It means the person is the task finisher. He will do the work, he will complete the work. Next thing is there are 4 ones in this chart. What they will show? Only repetition of number 1, and number 1 is the ruled by sun. That it means the person will have king-like personality or get the higher job in their position. He will get good position in their job or good in business. Whatever the work he will do, he will stand as a king-like position. Next, he is very emotional by heart. The 4 ones are depicting the person is very emotional, sensitive mind. And the Scorpio, the sign is 11. 11 number is a number here which depicts Scorpio sign, and Scorpios are very, dynamic, having the Mars energy, strong Mars energy. This month is ruled by the planet combination is Mars. Mars rule करता है. So here the energy will be high energy, energetic होगा, emotional, mental plane strong, action plane doer. दोनों plane strong. Next, here the chart 4 and 3. coming combined together in a person's chart, what does it show? It shows growth. Whatever the work he will do, growth, success, and good in planning. Planning बहुत अच्छी होगी. Good plan. This is number 2 in the chart. That means the person is caring. Caring. Mood swings. Lakshmi Yog. Love marriage. Chances of he will do love marriage. There is Lakshmi Yog in that person's chart. Love marriage as well as men. It shows out of the box thinker. Out of the box thinking होगी ऐसे पर्सन की. Fire energy. As well as much more is hidden in this chart. If you want to learn numerology, you can contact us. The number is 9711916561 and the 8595507669. Thank you for watching Numerosage.